in a bid to bring clarity in passenger charts and eliminate anxiety among passengers. Railways may finalize the reservation charts 24 hours before the departure of train rather than the current 4 hours. Samir filed this report.
To put an end to the anxiety and to eliminate the uncertainty amongst the railway users or the passengers, the Railway Ministry is exploring the possibility of the finalization of the passenger chart, the reserved passenger chart, 24 hours prior to the departure of the train. Currently, the system is that the passenger reserved chart is prepared 4 hours before the train departs, but now the Railway Ministry is looking that it can be prepared 24 hours or almost a day before the train departure time. And not just this, top level sources have informed that a trial has already begun in the Bikaner Rail Division. Trial is currently undergoing and it will take for a few months that this trial will be on, and based on the outcomes, the assessment will be done, and if certain tweakings will be required, then that will be done by the Railway Ministry before the pan-India rollout of the big ticketing reform that Railways is looking at. So with this, 24 hours before the train departure time, the chart preparation, that this bold move that Railway Ministry is looking at, they understand that this will help to eliminate the anxiety and the uncertainty amongst the passenger when it comes to have a status of their ticket that they have booked in. Also, this will be helpful for the passengers who have to travel a long distance to reach to the station and then to catch the train. Also, the Railway Ministry understands that at a time when of the total ticket bookings which is being done, the reserved ticket bookings of the total, 84% is being booked through IRCTC platform. So this exercise can be if not easily, but it can be done or it can be achieved. So that's the larger goal that the government is looking at, that they want to roll it out as soon as possible. Currently the trial is on, and based on the outcome, a final call will be taken up by the Railway Ministry very soon.
All right, then big ticketing reforms likely to come in. Now, let's keep it with the railway space. Now, Indian Railways has also issued new rules for Tatkal ticket booking. Now, a government notification titled Modification of Tatkal Scheme says that the first 30 minutes of Tatkal ticket booking will only be available to individual online users and to the persons who will book tickets from the PRS counters at the station. Now, ticket booking with OTP-based verification, that comes into effect from July 1st. Samir joins us with all the details.
The Railway Ministry has announced certain modifications in the Tatkal rail ticket booking mechanism or the system that aims to bring much more transparency in the entire booking mechanism. So from 1st of July, only Aadhaar authenticated IDs, the IRCTC ID, can actually make the online Tatkal ticket bookings. And even if a passenger or a user is going to the PRS counter or the railway counter for a physical ticket, there also Aadhaar authentication is going to be mandatory. So the bottom line is that Aadhaar is going to be the mandatory rule which will be put in place for booking the Tatkal rail ticket. In addition to this, an additional security layer that will be introduced from 15th of July is that an OTP-based Aadhaar verification will be done. For example, your mobile number which is linked to the Aadhaar card, on that mobile number you will receive an OTP, and that OTP has to be placed in at the required place or field, and then OTP authentication will lead to the generation of the Tatkal rail ticket. So that's the double layer security mechanism that the Railway Ministry plans to put up in. And in addition to this, there is another modification that has to be put in place, that the initial 30 minutes of Tatkal booking window or the time will be reserved exclusively for the individual or the single user, and post these 30 minutes, the authenticated travel agents, they can actually make the Tatkal rail ticket bookings. So with this sort of mechanism, Railway Ministry is looking to bring much more transparency in the entire ticket booking system, and also to eliminate any suspicious IDs. And when it comes to the suspicious ID, let me add that in the last 6 months, IRCTC has eliminated roughly around 2.5 crore suspicious IRCTC ID. So Railway is continuously taking those steps that aims to provide much more transparent mechanism and also to help the bona fide users to generate a Tatkal rail ticket.
Thanks, Samir, for all those details. And Cabinet has given green signal to two key railway projects for doubling railway lines in Jharkhand. and Karnataka and as well as Andhra Pradesh. The total amount is 6,405 crore. The new projects will add 318 kilometer to rail network and enable 49 MTPA of additional freight. Let's listen into Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav on railway projects.
जिसका आपके सामने वर्णन है। दोनों रेलवे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं। एक है कोडरमा से बरकाकाना डबलिंग, दूसरी है बल्लारी से चिकजाजूर डबलिंग। दोनों काफी बड़े सेक्शंस हैं, 133 किलोमीटर्स और 185 किलोमीटर्स के, और दोनों के दोनों इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, कनेक्टिविटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, और ट्राइबल और जनरल पॉपुलेशन के मूवमेंट के हिसाब से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट।
All right, then lots of developments